Hi guys, I am back with little chess puzzles or retrograde analysis, and in this puzzle you need to reach this position in 30 moves. So it's 7 white and 6 black. That's it. You can pause the video and try to solve it. Well, let's go for the solution. So we're gonna pick an analyzer, but okay, what is the problem here? You have a pawn, black pawn in f3, so it's at least 1, 2, 3 moves. You also have the black bishop, which disappeared, so probably the black bishop made some moves and disappeared somewhere. And you have the white rook in h1 that disappeared, so probably the bishop take it, or maybe the pawn, like rook g1, rook g3, rook f3, and the pawn capture. So you have possibilities, but you need to do it in 30 moves. What we're gonna see, it's really easy to do it in 15, in 14, and you have only one way to do it in 13 moves. So let's pick an analyzer and try to solve this. Okay. Um, First, I guess it's pretty logical to start by this, since as you can see, this move is well, and this pawn is actually in f3, so it's pretty logical to play e4 so that the pawn can take at some moment. Okay, so now what can you do? You could put directly the knight here, or maybe use the bishop. Um, let's try to put the knight directly. Okay, then the idea is you need to do something with your bishop, and you need maybe to take the rook, or at least take the bishop. You need to take something with your bishop. So one possible move is to play in a3, and so that white can play g4. And now you can do something with the bishop. For instance, we could try to just, let's say, we take, we put the rook here, we take, we put the rook there, put the bishop here, and we would like to play bishop f3, take. But in this position, let's say you play this, 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 this. You did it in 14 moves, okay? So this is 14. 14 is not enough. You want 13. As you can see here, you lost a tempo playing like useless stuff with your rook. So you need to try to do it a little faster. The thing is, if you put the rook in f3, you need to do it in your move 6 so that black can take, and then you play something. So it's tricky because it's like you need to put the rook directly. You cannot lose a tempo playing this. You need to put it directly, but then you also need to capture the bishop, and this is the problem. In this situation, you cannot do both. If you go there directly, then um, you did it even in 12 moves, but the thing is the bishop is alive, and in the problem you don't have any bishop, so you couldn't capture the bishop. This is why the solution is not to put the rook in f3. It's not possible to do it like that. The bishop needs to go in f3, not the rook. Then it's not interesting to put the knight here. It was better to put the bishop here. And this is how you can do it in 13 moves. Let's try again the variation. Then you can play, and you're gonna take the rook. You can play here, you take. Now it's taken, so you can take the bishop, you can take here, you can play there, you can take, and you can put the knight here. This is how you could do it in 13 moves. Well, That's it for this little puzzle. Tell me in the comment if you had it. Bye bye guys, and see you soon.